Okay, hello guys. So, ito yung topic for today. Paano palambutin yung recoil spring ng ating firearm. And actually may dalawang paraan yan. Pwedeng palitan mo yung recoil spring or pwedeng ito yung gawin mo. So, yung ginawa ko is ito, naka-open bolt siya. Tapos hayaan mo lang ng ilang weeks or months if pwede. After nito, siguro mga 2 to 3 months, you can feel the difference na in terms of smoothness at saka paglambot ng recoil spring. Ano bang advantage ng malambot na recoil spring? Mas controllable yung recoil, tsaka hindi siya mahirap ikasa. Yun yung mga advantage ng smaller pound ng recoil spring. Yan yung advantage. At tsaka stability ng shooting. So kapag mas mahina yung recoil, mas stable yung shooting mo. So yun lang. Ito yung easiest way kung wala kang budget na magpalit ng recoil spring. Actually cheap lang naman yung recoil spring na especially for Taurus. Mura lang naman. Pero kasi to, old school to na technique, tapos proven and tested na rin siya. So yun lang guys.